Hello guys, welcome back to Janet's Home Bakes. Today I'm gonna show you how I made this super moist chocolate cupcakes and with this beautiful, silky and smooth chocolate ganache icing. Stay tuned! Let's start with our ingredients, guys. We have our cake flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, baking powder, and pink salt. We have our light brown sugar, 2 large eggs at room temperature, canola oil, vanilla extract, and buttermilk. Guys, don't forget to preheat your oven 160 degrees Celsius. We always sieve our dry ingredients. This part, guys, when we mix our liquid and dry ingredients together, please do not overmix. Additional ingredient, a quarter cup of hot coffee. And if you're not using coffee, you can just add a quarter cup of hot water at the end. Also, you can increase the amount of cocoa powder. You can add another tablespoon to the recipe if you decide not to use coffee. Let's fill them up to about or 2/3 of the cases. I'll bake them in the preheated oven 160 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 17 minutes. They are done. Look at that, guys. My toothpick has little crumbs. It is not wet, but it's just cake crumbs. This is how I like my cupcakes, moist and delicious. You can ice your cupcakes any way you want, but I like mine with dark chocolate ganache. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it. Check the description for the full recipe. Thank you. Bye.